Hey guys, happy Vlogmas. So today we're making peach cobbler. So you're gonna need peaches, sugar, flour, butter, cinnamon, 2 bowls, and you're gonna need to do this dance too. So first we're gonna make our crust. So for that you're gonna need the big bowl, and you're gonna put your butter in there, your flour in there, and you're gonna put some water in there. And you're just going to mix and mix and mix those ingredients until it becomes like dough. It is going to be pretty hard if you don't have a mixer, and it's going to take a while, but it'll be worth it. So let's get to mixing. Okay, so once you're done making your dough and it is actually all doughy, you're going to roll it into a giant ball and then split that ball into 2 balls. So for your top crust and your bottom crust. And then you're just going to take those and either wrap them in saran wrap or put them in Ziploc bags, how I'm doing. Smash them down, and you're going to put those in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes or so and let them get all, compacted together and whatnot. So yeah, next we're going to start making our filling. So you need your peaches. I'm actually going to use like a can and a half, but I'm not going to use the juice from the second can. I'm just going to take out the peaches and put them in there. So drain the juice off as well, because it is going to make more juice when it's cooking. So you're going to add your sugar and add your cinnamon, and you can add as much of that as you like. It's up to your personal taste how much sugar or cinnamon that you want, I guess. And it's supposed to look like that. So yeah, put that in the refrigerator as well. So now I'm just flouring my pan and getting it ready for when I want to put my dough down. So you just make sure that gets all over the pan, on the edges and everything. So now you're going to take your dough out and you're going to flatten it across your pan. Some people, have rolling pins. I don't know why I didn't have a rolling pin. I'm not sure. But yeah, I didn't have a rolling pin. So you just see me smashing it with my hands. And then I'm also taking the pan and molding the dough to the pan at the bottom and bringing it up the sides as well for my bottom crust.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas time.
Okay, so you're going to take your filling and pour it inside the bottom pie crust, just like that. You're going to take your top pie crust and do the same thing you did with the first one. Lay it down and smash it out. Flatten it till it's circular. put it on top of your peach cobbler. So you're also going to want to mold that to the pan as well, the way that you like it, decorate it, and, you know, make your pie look how you want it to look. So that's exactly what I'm about to do, is form the pie crust to exactly how I want it. Okay, so now that it is done, you're going to take some butter and literally rub it all over the crust, on the edges and everything, girl. Yes, honey, look at that. Yes, it looks so good.